are a classic Indo Chinese dish that can be served for evening snack or for entertaining your guests. I'm going to show you a very nice vegetable spring roll, and the first step to this is to making the spring roll sheets. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the spring rolls, first I'm going to make the spring roll sheets. For this, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour Maida. Add half teaspoon salt. To this, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything together. Then gradually add water and knead the dough. Knead the dough till it's all well combined. Knead it for about 5 minutes. After you knead the dough, wrap it in a wet cloth and keep it aside for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, I'm going to make the filling for the spring rolls. Take a wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger 1 teaspoon. To this, add 1 sliced onion. Saute till the onions turn transparent. Next, I'm going to add half capsicum that's been cut into juliennes. To this, add 1 medium-sized carrot cut into juliennes. Next, add half cup of thinly shredded cabbage. Saute all the vegetables. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add some crushed pepper. Now to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon chili sauce. Once the vegetables are cooked, finally I'm going to add spring onion greens. Turn off the stove and let the filling cool down. After 30 minutes, so knead it for another 2 minutes. Pinch off a little bit of the dough. Make sure you make small dough balls. This size would be ideal to roll out the spring roll sheets. Dust the rolling surface. Place the dough ball and start rolling it out. If you can see, the sheets are really thin and nice. You can see they're quite transparent. You can actually see my fingers through the sheets. So they're pretty thin. I've stacked up a few spring roll sheets. Use a ruler and cut it into squares. So I'm just going to mark it first. To seal the spring rolls, I'm going to make a Maida paste using 1 to 2 tablespoons of Maida and a little water. Make sure the paste is a little thick. Take the spring roll sheet with the broader side facing you. Keep a spoonful of the filling at the top end corner. So make sure you spread it out. Gently fold it in. Fold it inward at both the ends. Now I'm going to seal this. Take a little bit of the Maida paste to glue the ends. So there you go. Make sure you just very gently press it. You don't want to break the wrapper. There's your perfectly sealed spring roll. So now I'm going to make spring rolls without cutting the sheets. Place a little bit of the filling on the top end. Just follow the same folding technique. Fold it in. It's just that these may be a little more bigger than the other spring rolls. Seal the ends. Add a little bit of the Maida paste or the glue. And just fold it in. So there you go. This is another way you can make the spring rolls. You can see they are a little larger than the square shaped ones. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for frying. Once the oil is hot, gently drop the spring rolls into the oil. Deep fry the spring rolls till you get a nice golden brown color. Make sure the flame is on medium-low throughout the frying process because you want it to cook through. You can remove from the oil once the sizzling stops. So here are these delectable and crunchy vegetable spring rolls that you can enjoy with any dip by the side. Today I'm serving it with some sweet chili sauce. So do try the recipe and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.